Hello, I'm Anna.
And I'm Niklas,
And I'm Josh.
and we are chairing this year's ESTRO Physics Workshop topic, Research Sharing, Open Source Development and Software in Radio Oncology. At this workshop, we want to discuss with you how to foster and improve open source software availability, as well as clinical resources like workflows and scripts.
So why this workshop? Well, our work as a medical physicist is driven by software more and more. In the clinic, we use scripting within a commercial treatment planning system, and in research, we develop and use code and even publish it within freely available platforms. However, despite this increased use and development of software, there is no overall initiative, strong community to sustain these developments, and many of them vanish in a sort of PhD development hell.
So we invite everyone who works with software and code for research or clinical applications, particularly open source developers and users, to come and join us. So what we'd like to discuss is how we can develop a strong framework for sharing resources and code, and what are the potentials and challenges in developing a kind of ESTRO strategy for taking this forward.
So yeah, we are thrilled to welcome you to Krakow in October to the ESTRO Physics Workshop 2024.